Hello everyone, I'm Hima Sati Sharma and students we are discussing the chapter sound for class 8. In our previous lecture we have already studied what is sound, how sound is produced and how sound is produced in humans. So today we'll be discussing the topic propagation of sound. Propagation means traveling. So how sound travels from the source of sound to the person who's hearing the sound. So, the traveling of sound is called propagation of sound. Sound is propagated by the to and fro motion of particles of the medium. That means sound is an energy. It gives energy to the particle of the medium and the particle starts vibrating with the frequency of the sound produced. So sound needs a medium to propagate. So we can conclude that sound need a medium to propagate. Why it is important? It is important because sound will propagate only if there is a medium. So a medium is necessary for the propagation of sound waves. The matter or substances through which sound is transmitted is called a medium. For example, air is also a medium, water is also a medium. The medium can be solid, liquid or gas. So whenever there is a medium, may it be solid, liquid or gas, sound can be propagated or sound can be traveled. So if there is no medium, that means if there is a complete absence of solid, liquid or gas, sound will not be able to travel. Such a place where no medium is present will be called vacuum. So sound cannot travel in vacuum. A true vacuum refers to the complete absence of matter. That means there is no solid, no liquid, no gas. And since there is no medium, sound will not be able to travel and we cannot hear what a person is saying. For the similar reason, the astronaut who goes to space are not able to communicate with each other because in space there is no matter. In space there is a total vacuum. So whenever astronaut they need to communicate with each other, they talk to each other through radio waves or radio talkies. Sound can also travel through water. Here in this activity you can see that this person is ringing the bell inside the water, then also he is able to hear the sound. Therefore sound travels through water. Similarly, for the same reason, the aquatic animals, for example, dolphins and whales, they communicate with each other through in water also because sound produced by them can be heard by them as the sound can travel through water. If you take the example of solid, so you must have played this game in your childhood, the toy telephone. So here you can see through this thread, sound can also travel. And if you sit on a wall, one person is sitting on the one side of the wall and other is on the other side of the wall, you can hear the sound which is made by striking the wall. Similar way, doctor or nurses, they can hear our heartbeat through stethoscope that indicates that sound can travel through solid also. So sound wave can travel only through matter. This is clear. Therefore, we can say sound need a physical medium so that it can propagate anywhere. We hear sound which come to us through air medium particles. So when we communicate with each other, when we are in front of each other or when we are sitting together, so that sound comes through air medium particles. So there the medium is air. Aquatic animals communicate as sound travels through water. So we can say that sound travels through water and gases may most of the sounds we hear travel through gases such as air. Sound waves travel slowly through the air. For example, sound ringing in by a bell is we can hear it through gases. Now liquid, some sounds that we hear travel through water. For example, aquatic animals, they hear from when the sound is propagated through water, and sound waves travel a faster way through the water than the air. In solid, the sound waves travel very fast through solids. So from this slide we can conclude that sound travel fastest in solids, then in liquid and then in air. So the speed of sound is fastest in solid and slowest in air. Now in our next lecture, we'll be studying about structure of ear. Thank you.